Have you brushed your teeth this morning? If not, you might want to actually wait until our next segment. A dentist explains the health problems you might face depending on the toothpaste you use. Well, your health may be tied to what happens in your mouth, and we're not talking about what comes out of it. Now, Dr. Flora says your mouth is one of the most important parts of your body for a number of reasons, and brushing your teeth may just be hurting you in some way. So Dr. Flora also says that mouthwash may also be a problem. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Flora.
Thank you. It's so nice to be here and give some important information about oral care.
All right, so tell us, how could brushing our teeth be doing more harm than good?
Well, it's all about ingredients. As you can see, it's so confusing for consumers going to their local store to pick up a tube of toothpaste. This in front of me doesn't even represent basically an eighth of the products they're faced with,
right,
and trying to choose which is best for themselves and their families. And if you're not having been educated, informed on what ingredients are in these products and what the label says is really what they should be using, then there can be problems.
So what are some of the products that are in, some of the ingredients that are in these products that we should be kind of moving away from?
What's really surprising, and one of the main ingredients that I warn my patients about, is mint. Believe it or not, according to American Contact Dermatitis Society and the American Academy of Dermatology, mint can have serious allergy issues and side effects. So that's one ingredient that's very important. And 98%, up to 98% of toothpaste have mint in them.
We're seeing a checklist of like other ingredients like alcohol, formaldehyde, essential oils?
Yes, the thing is that plants such as mint, which we have here in a little pot, and lavender, other plant ingredients all have to be soaked, and they have to be processed. They can't just put the whole plant in a product. So to process them, they use ingredients like acetone, formaldehyde, chloroform. So it's a major issue that, again, patients, consumers are not aware of.
So, Dr. Flora, I know there's this whole charcoal phase going on and craze. What are your thoughts on these products that use charcoal in them?
I am not a fan whatsoever. Right now, it's such a fad, and it's very abrasive. What people don't realize is that what the charcoal is actually, what it actually contains could be seashells, could be all kinds of harsh ingredients, petroleum products. It's not, it's very abrasive. It may take off surface stains on your teeth, so it looks like it's really helping you have a brighter smile, but it's also removing the enamel surface so that eventually you can be seeing the inside of the tooth, which is the dentin, that's the inner layer, and it'll show a yellow hue.
All right, so Dr. Flora, just quickly run us through what we should be doing to practice good oral hygiene.
It's best to listen to your dentist and dental hygienist, but I recommend flossing first.
Okay.
And then rinse with a mouthwash. And there are various mouthwashes. A lot of them have dyes and harsh ingredients. I recommend using a clear one.
Okay.
And I recommend using a toothpaste that doesn't have any flavors in it. And there are a few. This is one of them. And then brush very, very carefully.
With a soft toothbrush. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Flora. We will take all of these tips into consideration so we can keep our pearly whites pearly white.